Expo Markers. So I just got these yesterday, and I bought these because I ran out of whiteboard markers. Now I've tried multiple different brands of markers, and I've been using whiteboard markers for years, for over a decade, and I have found that this brand consistently is the best. They tend to last longer, and they tend to write the best. So in this video, we're just going to do a little demonstration so you can see how they work. This is a 4-pack. I was going to get a bigger package, and you can. I'm pretty sure that on the listing on Amazon, they give you the option for a bigger box. But I thought I would start with 4 just to get started. So let's open them up and test one out. All right, so there is the marker. And the really cool thing about these markers is when you're using them, what you can do is you can take the cap off, and then you can put this in here like this. They smell great, and I'm not recommending you smell them, but they do have a nice, pleasant smell. They are low odor, by the way. If you're wondering, are there high odor markers? There are. They're not common. Most of the markers today are low odor, so the ones that aren't low odor, you can smell them from a distance, and they are non-toxic. So let's just do a simple example. Let's write something on the board. So let's say we have x plus 2 equals 0. And we're solving this for x, so we would just subtract 2 from both sides. Pretty simple. X equals -2. So it writes very nice. This board is dirty. It hasn't been cleaned. So now let's do a test to see how it erases. That's something else that's very good about these markers. By the way, when you're done using them, I highly recommend that you actually close them because they will dry out if you don't close them. I have done that multiple times. All right, I've got a paper towel here. Now you can use a whiteboard eraser. They sell them on Amazon, but I like to use paper towels. Honestly, I think the paper towels, they work just as good, if not better, and you can use the same paper towel multiple times. If your board gets really, really dirty, by the way, as you can see this one, I'm not sure if you can tell on the camera, but it does have some staining from using markers before. You can wet this with water and just use water and a paper towel, and it cleans the board a lot better. And they also sell like whiteboard cleaner that you can buy, but I just tend to use a paper towel and water, and that works pretty well for these whiteboards. So again, this is a 4-pack that I purchased. I got it yesterday. I'm happy with my purchase. It works great. They also have these in different colors. I actually have blue ones, but for some reason, I feel like the black ones are superior. They write better, they erase better. They're just better. The colored ones are fun if you want to use different colors, but in my personal experience, just my opinion, I think the black ones are the best markers you can get. So if you're shopping around for markers and you're comparing brands, this is the best brand in my opinion, and I recommend it. I hope it's been helpful to you, and have fun doing mathematics or whatever you're doing on the board. Take care.